Welcome back everyone. In this video, we are tackling the powerful concept of abstract classes. So, we'll explore that, how they work, what they are, and even compare them with the interfaces so you know when to use each one. Okay, so when you will use abstract classes and when you should use interfaces, that one also we'll see. Whether you're a beginner or someone brushing up your object-oriented programming concepts, by this end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp on subject. So let's dive in. Also, if you haven't checked our job opportunities playlist, so please do check out where we upload daily job openings so that you can directly apply for these roles. So let's just jump into the topic. So what is the abstract class? Okay, what is abstract class? So abstract class is essentially a class that cannot be instantiated directly. We can't instantiate the abstract class directly. Okay, think of it as a partial blueprint. I hope everyone is aware about the class, which is a full blueprint, right? We can instantiate the class by using creating object, correct? But we can't create object of the abstract class as it is a partial blueprint, correct? So it's designed to be extended by other classes but not to create objects on its own. Okay, so it can be extended by other classes but it cannot create its own object. Okay, for example, if you see in this example, we have created one abstract class, my abstract class. We have one method called as abstract class method, correct? We haven't provided any implementation over here, right? We do not have implementation, correct? So what we have done is we have extended that to my abstract class in my class, where we are providing the implementation for the abstract method, correct? Here we can see we have provided the implementation for abstract method. Likewise, after providing implementation, we can create the object of child class and call that method. Okay, so I hope you got idea what I was saying. So then you might be asking like why we should use the abstract class if we can't create object and instantiate it, right? So when you can simply define methods in regular class, the answer is flexibility, correct? So you got the flexibility. For example, define common behaviors that multiple child class can share. What you can do is you can define the common behavior which can be shared by multiple child classes. Okay. So also you can use both abstract, unimplemented, and concrete implementation implemented methods as well. For instance, you might have a vehicle car. Okay. For example, I have given over here one example like if you have vehicle class which is having the abstract method called as start engine. Okay, so vehicle can be extended by any vehicle, correct? Like car, motorcycle, and airplane. Everything has a engine, right? Car has an engine, motorcycle has engine, airplane has an engine, but their implementation might be different. So that's the reason it provides us the flexibility, correct? We will define single method, sorry, we will declare one single method abstract, and that can be implemented by different extended by different classes like car, motorcycle, and engine, and they can provide the implementation as they want, as per their wish. Okay, so that provides us the flexibility. So let me show you one quick coding example so that you will get much more clear idea about it. Okay, so let me show you one quick coding example of the abstract classes. Okay, let me create a class name as test abstract. What we are doing is test. Okay, test abstract. I need one main method as well. So let me create one class, abstract class, abstract class. Okay, let me you name it as my abstract class. Okay, so let me define one abstract method. Abstract. The method name will be AB method. Okay. Always remember, we do not provide any implementation for the abstract class. Implementation means do not use the curly braces and always close with the semicolon. Okay, let me try to extend it in my class. I will extend my AC over here. Here, if you see, we have getting error like the type. My class must implement the inherited abstract method. So we must implement it, correct? If we do not want to implement it in this class, then we have to declare this one as well abstract. Let me show you. There is this one is also class. You can see the error is disappeared. So we'll be responsible to implement the next class, which is extending this one, is responsible to implement that method. Okay. So this is out of our scope of question. So that's why I'm not discussing it. Do let me know if you want to detailed training in this abstract method and abstract classes. So we'll make try to make video on that. Okay. Now let me give implementation to the abstract method. Okay. AB capital M. Okay. Now you can say error is disappeared. Let me just simply take one output statement only. This is abstract IMPL. Okay. Now let me quickly create one object of the my class equals to new my class semicolon em dot ab methods. Let me try to run it and show you. So what I'm doing is here you can see, right? We have got the answer called as abstract IMPL. So that's it. I hope you have got idea how abstract classes are defined, how abstract methods are defined, and how they are implemented in the child classes. So let us check out another main important question on this, like what is the difference in abstract classes and interfaces, which is most important question following this question asked by interviews. So friends, if you haven't checked our interview preparation series, so that you can check this out. So where we'll provide a free of cost training for the interview. Also, we have one pseudocode series where you can learn how to solve the pseudocode questions. We have the dynamic programming or logical programming series where you will find how to solve the logical programming interview questions. So kindly subscribe this channel and share it with your friends so that they will also get help from it. And also make use of the job opportunities playlist as well so that you can directly apply for the. Okay, so now the question comes is what is the difference between interfaces and abstract class? Okay, so this is something that often confuses beginners, so let's clear it up. An abstract class allows you to mix both abstract and concrete methods. This is very, very important. Okay, abstract class allows you to combine both abstract methods which are having without body and also concrete methods which are having the body. Okay, so this means you can have some methods fully implemented while some others can just have placeholders for child classes to define. Okay, but in interfaces it clearly defines that class should do abstract methods only until Java 8. Of course, after Java 8, they have a default method also can have there. Okay, so ideal when you should when you need multiple classes to share same method signature, but allow full freedom on how those methods are implemented. Okay, so interfaces are purely suited when you have same method signature for all the classes, but the different implementation is expected. So that time interfaces should be used, correct? So then when to use both of them, like okay, so if you want to use the abstract classes, then when you should use it, like when you want to provide a base class with both shared functionality and flexible implementation. For example, in game, you might have an animal abstract class with common methods like eat, but an abstract method like make sound, okay, which every specific animal class can implements differently. Okay, it can be implemented differently, but make sound maybe abstract method. Okay, so which is different for each and every animal, but eat is a common, right? Every animal eats. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, then when you will use interface, like use an interface when you want to define a contract that multiple classes should you adhere to, but they don't necessarily share any common code. Okay, for instance, a flyable interface might be implemented by both bird class, also airplane class. Correct? Airplane also flies and birds also flies, right? That's the thing when we should go for interface, and abstract classes. So let's just quickly check one coding example which has both interfaces as well as abstract classes, so that you will get much more clarity. So if you are liking this video, make sure to smash that like button. Also subscribe to channel in order to get more videos. Also comment down below on which topic you want us to make a detailed explanation. So let's just quickly deep dive into the code without wasting so much time. Okay, so let's just quickly check one coding example for both abstract class and interfaces. Let me take main class name as text AI. Okay, let me create one main method. No, we'll come to main method later. Let me try to create one abstract class. Let's just do one thing. Let me take existing abstract class itself. Okay, Control C. Okay, Control V. Oh, but now what we'll do over here is, I don't need this. We have to create one more method which is concrete method. As I told you, right? Abstract class can have both concrete as well as abstract method. So this one is abstract method. Let me create one more concrete method which is, let me give name as con. Let me take as a one without. This is a concrete method. Okay, this is method. Okay, no, okay, concrete method. Now, okay, we have taken both abstract method as well as concrete method. Now, what we'll do is, let me create one interface. Okay, so interface, my interface. Okay, let me take one interface method. Okay, so let me take as a void. Let me give name as a method one only. Okay, you got, we have error over here. What is the error? Abstract methods do not specify the body, because we can see here we have defined one concrete method, correct? But it allowed us. But here in interface, it does not allow. What explains us is we can't use body for the interface method. We just need to use semicolon. Okay. I hope you have got idea. How does it work? So let me try to create one class which will extend class. Let me give name as my only extends. What it will do is will extend my AC. Okay, and implement my interface. Okay, here is the error. We should implement inherited abstract methods. So what are the abstract methods inherited? My ac.ab method, also my interface method one. Both of them we have to implement, right? So we'll do it. Don't worry, compiler. Now let me try to implement ab method. Okay, let me take one sys out implemented abstract method. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to implement one more method which is method one, which is inherited from the, sorry, implement. Okay, so let us quickly implement the method which is inherited from the interface method. Okay, now let's go to the main class. over here. I don't need this, so let me quickly. What is the method one only, right? Oh, can us reduce the visibility, which says we have to give declare it as a public. Okay. So now let us go to the next one. Let me try to create a object of the my m equals to new my, oh sorry, m equals to new my semicolon. Now let me try to call abstract class method m dot ab method. This is a, it will call the implemented abstract method, right? Correct. Now if I not if I'm trying to method one, what it will do is it will call implemented interface method. We have one more method called print concurrent method, right? So let me call it. What is the method name? Con. Okay. So let me try to run it and show you the output. Here you can see, right? We have the output that implemented abstract method, and this is the concrete method. So I hope you have got the difference between the abstract method and abstract classes. Okay, also we have clear that when we should use abstract class, abstract method. Also, what is difference between interfaces and abstract methods. Also, we discussed what are the abstract classes. Okay, so abstract classes are a powerful feature of Java that gives you both flexibility and structure in your code. So they let you create a foundation for your objects while leaving room for child classes to define their own specific behaviors. So it gives us the flexibility, right? And now that you have both the different and abstract classes and interfaces, so make sure to give the thumbs up to this video and also share it with your friends. Check out our job opportunities playlist and also comment down below on which topic you want us to make the video. So then, thanks for watching the video. Keep coding and stay curious. Thank you.